Tapo C500 versus Tapo C310. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about camera type. Tapo C500 provided pan tilt outdoor camera and 310 provided fixed outdoor camera. So 500 is better. Now let's look at the resolution. 500 provided 2K 1440p resolution and 310 provided 3MP 2304 into 1296 resolution. So 500 is better. Now let's look at the pan and tilt. 500 provided 360-degree horizontal, 130-degree vertical pan and tilt. And in 310, no pan and tilt is available. So 500 is better. Now let's look at the night vision. In 500, IR night vision up to 30 feet color night vision is available. And in 310, IR night vision up to 30 feet is available. So 500 is better. Now let's look at the connectivity. Wi-Fi connectivity is available on 500 and Wi-Fi plus Ethernet connectivity is available on 310. So 310 is better. Now let's look at the weather resistance. IP65 is available on 500 and IP66 is available on 310. So 310 is better. Now let's look at the two-way audio. Yes, this feature is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the motion detection. In 500, Smart AI motion detection with human and vehicle recognition is available. And in 310, Smart motion detection. No AI specific recognition is available. So 500 is better. Now let's look at the storage option. In 500, micro SD card up to 512 GB or Tapo Care Cloud is available. And it is also available on 310, so both are equal. Now let's look at the power source. In 500, wired power adapter included, and it is also included on 310, so both are equal. And in the last, let's look at the app integration. Tapo app, Alexa, Google Assistant is available on all two devices, so both are equal. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.